Hello mga motorista and welcome na naman sa isang Motorista Adventures na video. For this episode, we have here the GAC GS3 M-Zoom. So itong M-Zoom na to mga motorista is the mid-model variant. Today, let me show you all the details regarding this crossover SUV ni GAC. And again, I'm pretty surprised and very happy. Andito na sila sa Cagayan de Oro. So if you want to check out their vehicles now, they are located at Causogan Highway, Cagayan de Oro City. So wag na natin patagalin pa, simulan na natin yung video natin sa ating M-Zoom. So yung ating M-Zoom is basically meron tayong 3 variants, no? Yung base model nila is called the GS3 1.5 GS, which is lahat automatic, no? Dual clutch transmission sila. And then meron din tayong GS3 1.5 GB DCT, which is the mid model. Ito yon. And finally, the top of the line GS3 1.5 R style DCT 1.198. So itong model na to is 1,098,000 and yung base model nila is 998,000. Tignan natin kung worth it ba sa 1.98 million pesos itong GS3 natin na M-Zoom GB model. So, let's take a look at the exterior features. So, first of all mga motorista, no, napaka-striking yung ating M-Zoom. Very concept car-like yung kanyang design, especially at the front. So, if you see this on the road, no, mapapalingon ka talaga kasi napaka-aggressive yung styling, very sharp yung edges natin. You have this parang V-shape na grille and then meron pa siyang design dito, di ba? So, yan, meron siyang parang V-shape dyan sa taas na part. You have here your GAC na logo. So, wala siyang front camera for this GB model or the mid-model variant. We have LED DRLs, LED turn signal lights, and ito yung ating main headlight, which is a projector type LED design, which is a projector type LED. And moving on to the side naman, yan, kita nyo naman yung ating form factor, no? Para siyang crossover na sport hatchback yung design. Yung wheels and tires natin is really cool looking as well. Boomerang siya na design. Ventilated disc harap, McPherson struts din. Yung tire size natin is 225 by 55 R18. Meron tayong mga plastic body cladding on the side. Again, with the design dito sa ating side mirrors, no, kita nyo naman, parang triangular shape din siya. You have LED turn signal repeaters dito. So, hidden yung ating mga door handles, but you can actually open it, mga motorista. Ayan. So, buksan nyo lang, it will come out. No? Smart entry din to, and engine push to start. Meron tayong roof rail dito. Okay, maliit lang siya na roof rail. And sa likuran naman, you have solid disc brakes as well. Maganda din yung design dito sa ating likuran na part, no? If you want a crossover SUV na design rich talaga, again, get the GAC GS3 M-Zoom. I'm really liking the design of this. It's not as outlandish. It's well thought of design, even though na medyo concept car like siya. So you have 3 reverse sensors, meron tayong reverse camera for this mid model, eh meron tayong parang dual tip exhaust na hindi lang siya real exhaust, no, that's a design. And then sa ilalim you have torsion beam suspension sa likuran. Right? So meron din tayong high mount stoplight here. So vertical din yung ating high mount stoplight. Kita nyo? And then you have a rear defogger din dito sa likuran. And especially this color, mga motorista, no? Hindi siya ganun ka-flashy, pero kung lalapitan mo siya, it's glistening. Although this is kind of a matte paint job right here, which is I think very unique as well on its segment kasi walang nagmamat na color dito. The one that I like most, no? Sa rest of mga Chinese na mga brands when it comes to design. Top-notch yung ating GS3 M-Zoom. So, yung ating M-Zoom, mga motorista, yung engine nito is a 1.5 liter turbocharged gasoline engine that puts out around 174 horsepower at 5,500 RPM. and a maximum torque of 270 Nm. Now that is really good for a 1.5 liter engine, which I really appreciate, mga motorista. So performance will not be lacking for this compact crossover SUV. So aside sa ating engine, it is paired to a 7-speed wet type dual clutch transmission. Okay, so ayan siya, mga motorista, yung ating makina. And yung ating intake side is here. So it will be easy to clean, when it comes to maintenance, in the future. So this is direct injection, because we have a high pressure fuel pump right here. And yung exhaust side natin nandun sa kabilang side, dito naman is yung ating coolant, airbox natin, battery. So everything is easy to find. So ngayon naman, let's take a look at the interior. Let me show you around there. So we are inside the GAC Mzoom, mga motorista, and as you can see, the interior is very modern and quality is quite good. So kita nyo naman yung ating steering wheel, it is leather, meron tayong perforation here, very sporty yung ating steering wheel, flat bottom pa siya. And also we have cruise control as well. So I think this is just a basic cruise control. If you go for the top of the line model, you have adaptive cruise control plus traffic jam assist. And let's start with the doors. So lahat ng windows natin is one touch up and one touch down lang siya. That's really cool. And then you have here your headlights. Unfortunately it's not automatic, but it's fine with me, mga motorista. No complaints about that. We have rear fog lights. Dito naman sa ating mga wipers, it is intermittent. Yung controls ng ating audio is here. Andito siya na side. And yung ating mga screen here is very decent, yung ating resolution. I really like it. Perfect lang yung size niya. This is around a 10-inch display, mga motorista, which is quite nice. The one thing that I really like about the Mzoom in comparison to GS8 is that this one has Apple CarPlay compatibility, mga motorista. Wireless pa siya, So napaka-easy lang siyang i-operate. And the UI as well, is very modern, very easy to manipulate din. So meron din tayong mga drive modes dito. So meron siyang sport, comfort, and eco. It alters the steering wheel and also yung ating electronic stability program as well. So you can also customize yung ating powertrain. Kung gusto mo sport and you want the comfort steering wheel, pwede din siya. And aside from that, tilt and telescopic yung ating steering wheel. So another thing they really appreciate is meron siyang aircon controls here. You don't need to go to the screen to control the air conditioning, which is really good. And dito naman sa harap natin, ayan. So dito sa harap natin, you have a 7-inch display, which is well integrated, kasi hindi na to TFT display dito sa side, just indications. So temperature gauge, fuel gauge, and also you have your rev counter right there. So kita nyo din na nakaupo ako dito, kaya meron siyang alarm or meron siyang indication na kailangan ko mag seatbelt. And very simple to operate. You have tire pressure monitoring system. So meron tayong wireless charger. Yung ating shifter is an e-shifter. I really like this parang diamond cut na design here. I'm not sure this is real diamond though. So press to park and then just move the lever forward and back to engage reverse, neutral, drive, and sport. You have your electronic parking brake. I'm not sure this has auto hold, so I have yet to find out, first impressions. You have large compartment dito, and you have compartment as well dito na maluwag. Okay, sa taas naman, LED dome lights. Yan, vanity mirror, wala siyang ilaw. Dito sa kabila, wala siyang ilaw, mga motorista. So the seats as well, these are really comfortable seats, I must admit. Quite aggressive yung bolsters natin. Adjustable yung ating headrest, which is good. And I really like the color, the black and the beige leather or synthetic leather. I don't know really if this is leather or synthetic, but again, it drives well with the black interior. So I really like that. Meron siya mga accents. And then here, design lang to na element, which is also really cool. For the airbag count, I think this has only dual airbags, mga motorista. Wala tayong mga curtain airbags. I'm not so sure if this has side airbags. I think it might have side airbags now. Let me put that on the screen right now if it has 2 or 4 airbags. Yung ating rear view mirror is ano siya, day and night lang, hindi siya yung ating auto dimming. So I think na for the top of the line model you get auto dimming na din. So again, basic lang siya, but again, you almost get everything mga motorista when it comes to modern features, no. Okay, so upo tayo dito. Ayan. So, we are at the back of the GS8 and as you can see mga motorista, no, it's quite dark dito kasi andito tayo sa showroom. But one thing that hindi ko lang masyadong gusto is the front seats is quite tall, so wala kang masyadong visibility if you want to look at the front of the vehicle, so you have to move to the side. But anyway, very comfortable naman yung seat natin, well supported yung ating mga knees, yung toes natin. You have rear aircon vents as well, ayan. And isang ano lang siya, no, vent, no. So not bad na din, malakas, malamig siya. And then you have your USB port dito sa ilalim. Flat yung ating floor. So ayan, kita nyo? That's flat mga motorista, which is really nice. Okay. So 5 passengers dito sa likuran, walang problema. It's quite spacious din. And yeah, if we sit here, no, nothing, halos wala siyang hump sa middle. So I imagine kung ako yung center passenger, I'd be very happy na riding in the M-Zoom. And unfortunately, wala tayong armrest, no. But again, what you get is a better center seat, no. Kung mayroon tong armrest, medyo matigas yung uupuan ng passenger. So mayroon din tayong mga headrest dito. Wala tayong... So buksan natin. Yan. So yung cargo area ng ating M-Zoom, meron siyang donut. Hindi donut talaga, donut na tire. So basically space saver siya na spare tire 125/90 R17. Meron tayong tools and also reflector dyan mga motorista na for emergency. Right. So I imagine you can carry a decent amount of stuff dito, but because medyo rake yung ating likuran na part, no, limited yung ating vertical space, no, for your luggage. But again, it's still a lot of space dito sa likod. So ayan yung ating first impressions ng ating GAC M-Zoom mga motorista, no. So if you want to look at the M-Zoom, again, Cagayan de Oro City, ano lang nila, display ng mga units dito. You can visit them at Kauswagan Highway, Cagayan de Oro City. And as always guys, now if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, click that notification bell for more videos in this channel. Once again, this is Adrian. You're watching Motorista Adventures and I'll see you on the next episode.